kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Y'all come on in and join me as I style my entryway hallway. I'm going to be putting a painting on the wall. I'm going to be pulling in a shelf and decorating it for the spring and Easter. Y'all know it is that time of season. I'm home by myself, y'all. I don't have nobody to help me, so I'm just gonna have to make this do what it do. I'm gonna have to make it work, you guys. So I'm gonna take this thing in slow motion so y'all won't see all the bloopers and stuff that I'm going to have going on here trying to put this painting on this wall. It does have a wire on the back of it, but I've got to get it on the nail there. I thought I had it, but I didn't. But anyway, if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to click on this video today, and I'm happy to have you here, and I pray that this type of content, which is home decor, home styling, DIYs, decor hauls, and some lifestyle, I hope this is something that you're interested in and you like. And if that is so, then you just keep on watching, and before you reach the end of this video, give it a big thumbs up and also click on that subscribe button and the notification bell. So if you are returning, welcome back. Y'all know I can't do this without you all. So you all, let's get into this video. So y'all saw that didn't work, so hey, I gotta go over to plan B. So y'all just hold on 1 minute. Hold on 1 minute. I'm telling y'all, hold on 1 minute till I get it together, y'all. So let's go ahead and try it again. But don't forget to grab your drink, grab your snack, sit back and relax as I create this beautiful spring and Easter entryway in my hallway. So I got it, y'all. The ladder helped me out. I am a shorty. I'm not tall at all. So the ladder did come in handy and help me out. It looks good. I like the look of it. So hey, I got to give y'all the happy dance. If you all haven't noticed in watching my spring videos, I am going with the black and white stripe print, so you're going to see that throughout the home. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this reveal. So here we are, we made it to the reveal. Yes, you guys, I just still use my same runner that I did use for Christmas and the fall, and I've added these two cute stools up under the table. And yes, you guys, I am using that black and white stripe pattern here with the candles and the decor book, and I threw in those Easter and spring colors, the pink and the green, and everything just goes together. And as you can see, I did a little bit of elevation here with my tall items versus my short items to make everything look very cohesive together. So I want to thank you all so much for tuning in on today. Y'all, I struggled with this painting, but look at what I have created here. I pray that someone is able to take something away from this video to be able to create a space in their entryway if you so desire. And those bunnies are so stinking cute, you guys, and to use the pink and the green, I thought it was perfect. And the pink from the florals just really make the decor styling make sense. So it is beautiful. I love what I have created here, and I hope you love it too. So please give me a big thumbs up, and also leave me some comments down below if you would like to share this video out. I would greatly appreciate it. And at this time, At Home with Lisa is signing off, and I will make sure to see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See you all in the next.
We at home with Lisa.